Okay, hike to Tasik Lama.
Ya, ni Tasik. Ni Tasik Lama deh. Jalan Tasik Lama. But 2 or 3 hours oh.
Okay.
If you're not fit, I don't know.
Oh yeah, of course.
I ever go to the marketing lah. The one to 1 hour, 1 whole trail.
Is it easy or not?
Okay. Watch sunset very high up. You can see a lot of the area outside.
Oh, this one well maintained lah.
Yeah, better than the Tasik Marine Park. You be careful.
Yeah, yesterday I was walking there. The first day I have to be very careful of the crocodile.
This one no crocodile, but turtle lah.
Oh, okay. Turtle still okay lah.
Mama last time buy turtle always put here lah. See, they all don't maintain.
Why leh? Why have this kind of attitude, huh? Nice park ah.
Yeah. No one clean this one.
Why no one clean this? No fishing. Eh, got right out here. Tolong jaga kebersihan. These are Lotus, right?
Yeah, Lotus.
The part where there's the Erenshima tissue, is it at the stem?
What ah?
The Erenshima tissue has where?
What ah?
The part where they have the air is which part is it?
Erenshima?
Yeah.
The root or what is
Root is it?
Is it a root or the leaf?
I think it's root, huh? Is it?
Root, I think. Maybe the root, I think.
Make it can float up here.
Not the float, it's the root. The root.
Where do you go to hike? Like from here or where? There.
There, over there.
Oh, okay.
If you plan but if you want home morning then you can plan. Maybe slowly, but must be fit huh?
Yeah. Inside got fish or not? Other than tortoise?
I think got. Yeah. I think the bird this is cool.
Calm place, very calm.
But the thing, many mosquito I realize.
I'm immune to mosquito already.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know. That's why you see no mosquito.
You are what blood type?
I think I'm getting bitten until immune to it.
You are AB type, mosquito don't like you. But if there's fish, there's not many mosquito.
Oh, I see.
If there's no fish, then there.
Oh.
And then you can wrap it and then steam. Then people want Lotus lomakai No, use one.
Got flower there. A lot. Oh, this one a lot want to open already. Very open.
Underneath got the root
Oh, okay. Can make soup one
So why these people?
What's that like?
I don't know. You want to catch fish Okay, you put upside down so you can catch fish.
Got Oh, okay. So the fish go in and maybe cannot come out. What's that? Let's see that.
No idea. Nah, this one. Nah.
The one where you can make into the.
Look like caterpillar one, the body.
Oh.
Body look like caterpillar one. Oh, I have step,
Huh? Maybe get captured already.
Okay. Huh?
You mean tortoise, right?
No, me tap water.
Oh, for washing hands. Oh, that's the main part where you climb up lah. Okay.